What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wow for Eats. Today I'm going to be reviewing Four Sigmatic's Gut Health Organic Coffee Blend. It says it has with probiotics and turkey tail mushroom. It's organic, and if we look at the back, well, this is the back over here. It's organic coffee, organic chaga extract, organic turkey tail extract, organic yacon powder, however you say that, and Bacillus subtilis. 1 billion CFUs, that's the probiotic. Now, first things first, the price, it's like 14 bucks for this. It's a regular caffeine level. It's your typical standard, ground coffee bean, nothing too crazy there. I will say, in terms of the quality of this, it's a good product, but it's not a great product, and I'll explain why. A lot of brands, what they do is they'll say, for example, this says gut health, organic coffee with probiotics and mushrooms. Okay, yeah, we know all coffee is good for gut health. Technically, I mean, it stimulates liver, and the liver metabolizes fat and protein. That's great. The fact that it says with probiotics is interesting because the strain of probiotic is Bacillus subtilis. And when I looked that up, I found out very quickly that this is actually just simply the strain of bacteria that's in the coffee bean based on how it's fermented, based on how it's processed. So it's literally just already in the coffee bean. So they kind of say, with probiotics, like probiotics added, there's no added probiotics, it's just simply coffee. So it should, labels can be misleading, so I share that to say labels can be misleading. It's really just simply coffee with turkey tail mushroom and chaga extract. And they're both organic, and they're both extracts, which is good because extracts are of a higher quality. Now the question then becomes, what is the potency of that extract? So you can have a 2-to-1 extract, an 8-to-1 extract, a 16-to-1 extract. The higher the extract, the more potent it is, meaning if I had an extract that was 2-to-1, it would take 2 pounds of that mushroom to produce 1 pound of that extract. If it's a 10-to-1, I need 10 pounds of that mushroom to produce 1 pound of that extract. So the higher the extract ratio, the higher the top number to the bottom number, the stronger the extract and the less mushrooms you actually need because you're getting simply, more medicinal value from that mushroom from a higher potency extract. With that being said, it just says extract. It could be a water extract, it could be an alcohol extract. I don't really know, it doesn't really clarify, and I don't know the ratio of the extract. So I don't really like that. I looked it up online, couldn't figure it out, couldn't find it, ChatGPT'd it, ChatGPT didn't tell me. So, once again, it's good. It's 14 bucks. You're getting your coffee, turkey tail and chaga, organic extracts. Don't really know the ratios, don't really know if it's water or alcohol extracts, but it's a good product, but it's not great, and here's why. The coffee itself is organic, but I personally love, and I'm gonna talk about this brand over and over because they're absolutely exceptional, the company Purity Coffee. These bags are 12 ounces, that bag is 10 ounces, so you get a little bit more coffee in these bags. They are certified organic as well, but they're also certified biodynamic. And as you can see, this one, Ease, is for digestive health, the Protect is for liver health, and then you have Flow, which is for overall health. Each blend is blended slightly differently for different benefits, which I love. And they don't have all these crazy claims in the bag and try to put everything. It's just the highest quality coffee you can possibly get. But it's certified biodynamic, certified organic, and bird-friendly Smithsonian Institute. If you don't know what biodynamic is, and if you're it's not super new, but if you're newish to the world of health products, biodynamic simply means there's literally 0 pesticides. With organic, there can be 25 or so, don't quote me on that. There's 20 something pesticides that can still be used in the production of that crop. So certified organic isn't the highest quality, biodynamic is. That's where regenerative farming, permaculture, these types of things come into play. And Purity Coffee does that. It's sourced from, I believe it's Ethiopia, super high quality coffee beans, the best you can possibly get. They do lab testing in the country of origin and once it hits US soil to ensure that if there was tainting in the shipping process, they disregard that batch, and they have, because I've actually emailed them about that and inquired about the quality of their brand, and they're literally the highest quality standard company in terms of coffee in the entire industry, in my personal opinion, based on the research I've done, because they publish their lab tests and they make sure there's no mycotoxins, no mold, no fungus, no heavy metals, none of that, and the highest antioxidants. So I personally recommend Purity Coffee. It does cost a little bit more, but once again, the bags are bigger and I have a 20% off code. So it's gonna be a win-win for you there. And then in regards to the mushrooms, the reason I don't really like mushrooms mixed with coffee is simply because mushrooms and coffee have different pH. And if there's any moisture in the coffee or the mushroom when the mixing occurs, bacteria, mold formation, and other issues can arise. And a lot of companies aren't as thorough as we think that they are. So I personally prefer to buy my coffee separate and my mushrooms separate, because then I can get the highest quality coffee, which is Purity Coffee. And then I can get the highest quality mushrooms, which this is a brand called Rasa. This is a very small bag. Yes, it's only 1 ounce, but everything in here, turkey tail, cordyceps, lion's mane, reishi, tremella, and poria are all extracts. And they're dual extracted, meaning there's a hot water extract and an alcohol extract. Each extraction method, hot water and alcohol, extracts different components from the mushroom in terms of medicinal value. So you get the dual extraction, and then the reishi in here, get this, the reishi in here extract ratio is 16:1. I've never seen reishi extract, which reishi is the queen of mushrooms. I've never seen reishi extract as high as 16:1 ratio, meaning it took 16 pounds of reishi mushroom to produce 1 pound of the extract that goes in this product. So yes, this bag is small, but you need a little scoop, and the little scoop goes a long way. And I've experimented with a lot of different mushroom products, tinctures, powders, all types of things, and I've never felt my brain health and my gut health improve. And just, I feel like you feel when the mushrooms hit. This product does that. So I like getting the highest quality coffee, Purity Coffee, which 20% off will be in the description below. But then additionally, with Rasa mushrooms, the highest quality dual extracted mushrooms to add in and brew it immediately and drink it immediately. And the reason for that is because I don't want any tainting, I don't want any moisture retention, I don't want any bacteria, mold, pH mixing, none of that. I want the healthiest, freshest mushroom coffee elixir that I can possibly get. And that's why this works well. So I actually have a discount code for Rasa too. So if you want to check them out, they're absolutely incredible. They're a small company, mostly women lead this company, as a women founder, amazing company. I love the small companies where you can actually communicate with them and learn about their products, and it's just super, super pure. So highly recommend Rasa. And then for coffee, trust me, you will not go wrong if you check out Purity Coffee. I've been getting this stuff like crazy. I've been trying all of their blends, and I'm gonna start giving them out as gifts to friends and family, because it is truly the best coffee I've ever had. So get 20% off Purity Coffee below. It just smells good right here. I just wanna have coffee right now, but it's too late in the day for that. It's past noon, it's like 3 o'clock, so I'm not gonna do that because of my circadian rhythm. I wanna sleep tonight. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Get your discount on Purity Coffee and Rasa mushrooms below. And if you want to get discounts on 30 different wellness brands that I've personally vetted as a health and wellness coach, visit healthywildfree.com/shop in the description below. And I will see you in the next health review video. Have a great day. Bye.